In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add approvals to custom workloads in Wrike. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can follow along in your own workspace and start standardizing how work gets reviewed and signed off. First, make sure you're logged into Wrike and open the Add Campaign project or folder where you want to add your approval. This will usually be in the space where your marketing or project work lives. Once you're in that area, you should see your tasks or items laid out in a table or list view. Next, click into the specific task or item where you want to attach the approval workflow. This might be a particular asset, a campaign, or any piece of work that needs review. When you click it, a panel will open on the right-hand side of your screen showing the task details. Inside that task panel, look for the approval section or the option that's highlighted in the interface. This is usually located alongside other task controls like status, assignees, and dates. Go ahead and click on the control that allows you to manage approvals. Now click on Add Approval. This is where you formally attach an approval step to the task. Adding an approval means Wrike will track who needs to review the work, by when, and what decision they make, instead of everything happening informally in comments or messages. A new approval block will appear. In this block, click the highlighted area where you can add approvers. This is typically a field that lets you search for people in your account. Start typing the name or email of the person who needs to approve the work, then select the correct user from the list when it appears. You can repeat this to add multiple approvers if your process requires more than one sign-off. Next, click on Set Due Date for the approval. This deadline is specifically for the review, not the entire task, and it helps keep your process moving so items don't sit waiting for feedback. When the calendar opens, choose the appropriate date by clicking on the day that matches your review deadline. Once everything looks correct, including the approver and due date, you're ready to start the approval. Click on Start. This activates the approval process, notifies the selected approver or approvers, and begins tracking their decision inside Wrike. And that's it. You've successfully added an approval to a custom workload item in Wrike, ensuring your work goes through a clear, trackable review process before it's considered complete.